Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This is an educative channel that provides lectures on topics that borders on accounting, taxation, management information systems, data analytics software, and accounting software. In case this is your first time of coming to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I want to welcome you to class today. Today we are going to be looking at a topic in management information system, and today's topic is applications of management information system. As usual, we shall go to the objective that we hope to achieve at the end of this lesson. So our objective at the end of this lesson is that we should be able to see the various applications of MIS in business. We should be able to see the various applications of MIS, which is management information system, in government and law. We should be able to see the applications of management information system in health services. We should be able to see the various applications of management information system in education, and we should be able to see the applications of management information system in intelligent infrastructures. So we go to the very first objective, which is the applications of MIS in business. We are going to be looking at various ways in which management information system is applied in business. Number one, here we have the financial management. Management information system help in managing finances by providing financial data, tracking expenses, managing budgets, and forecasting cash flows. It can also help in managing financial risk and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. The next application is in inventory management. Management information system help in managing inventory by tracking the stock levels, monitoring orders, and identifying slow-moving items. This will help in reducing inventory costs and other costs that are associated with inventory. It will also help in improving product availability and avoid the problem of stock out, so that the organization will not have to lose their customers. Number three is sales and marketing. Management information system helps in managing sales and marketing by tracking customers' behavior, monitoring sales trends, and identifying new market opportunities. This helps in developing effective marketing strategies and increasing sales revenues for the organization. Another way in which management information system is applied in business is in human resource management. Management information system helps in managing the human resource by tracking employees' performances. It helps also in managing their payroll, maintaining employees' record, and also help in managing employees' benefit and programs that has to do with their training and retraining. Another way management information system can be applied in business is in customer relationship management. Management information system help in managing customer relationship by tracking customers' interaction, managing customer information, and providing personalized services. This will help in improving customer satisfaction and further enhance their loyalty to the organization. Another way management information system can be applied in business is in supply chain management. Management information system help in managing the supply chain by tracking inventory, managing orders, and coordinating with suppliers. It also help in managing logistics and transportation. So we move to the next area of application of management information system, and that is the area of government and law. How is management information system applied in government and law? Management information system is applied in various ways when it has to do with the government and the laws of our society. So the very first way management information system can be applied is in e-government services. Management information system help in providing government services to citizens electronically. It allows citizens to access government information, pay taxes, and apply for permits and licenses online without necessarily visiting the various offices that have been designated for these services. Another way it can be applied is in law enforcement. Management information system helps in managing law enforcement by tracking criminal records, managing evidences, and tracking cases. It also helps in managing court schedules and providing real-time information to officers in the field. Another way it can be applied is in public safety. Management information system help in managing public safety by tracking emergency calls, managing responses times, and providing real-time information to emergency personnel, especially those that are on the field. Another way it can be applied is in budget management. Management information system helps in managing government budget by tracking expenses, monitoring revenues, and forecasting future spending. This helps in making informed decisions about resource allocation and ensuring accountability. Another way it can be applied is in performance measurement. management. Management information system help in measuring government performances by tracking various key performance indicators and providing real-time information on government activities. This will further help in identifying areas of improvement and ensuring that government services are delivered efficiently and effectively to the citizens. Another way is on compliance monitoring. Management information system helps in monitoring compliances with the law and regulation by tracking regulatory requirements and ensuring that government agencies are in compliance. This will further help in reducing the risk of legal and regulatory violations. We shall move to another way management information system can be applied, and that is the health sector. How can management information system be applied in the health sector or the health services rendered? Number one is through the electronic health record. Management information system helps in managing health records by providing electronic platform for storing, managing, and sharing patient information. It can also help in improving patient care, reducing medical errors, and providing real-time access in such a way that the various health personnel that has to handle a patient will have real-time information irrespective of the particular offices the patient is visiting at that particular point in time. Another way it can be applied in the health sector and health services is through clinical decision support. Management information system help in providing clinical decision support. How do they do this? By providing physicians with real-time information on patient condition, medications, and treatment options. This will help in improving the patient outcome and reducing healthcare costs. Another way it can be applied is through telemedicine. Management information system help in providing remote healthcare services by using technology to connect patients and healthcare providers. Telemedicine helps in improving access to healthcare services. It also helps in reducing costs and also improving patients' outcome. Another way it can be applied is through healthcare analytics. Management information system helps in analyzing healthcare data by using advanced analytical tools to identify trends, patterns, and insights. It also helps in improving patient outcome by reducing the cost and identifying opportunities for improvement. Another way it can be applied in the healthcare sector is through the resource management. Management information system help in managing healthcare resources by tracking inventory, managing equipment, and optimizing staffing level. This helps in improving operational efficiency and reducing costs. We shall move to another sector in which management information system is applied. We go to the educational sector. Management information system is applied in the education sector in various ways. We shall look at the various ways. Number one way it can be applied is through the student information management. Management information system help in managing student information by tracking student data, managing grades, and maintaining academic records. This helps in improving student outcomes, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements, and supporting effective decision making. Another way is through the learning management. Management information system help in managing learning by providing online platforms for course deliveries, managing student assignment, and tracking student progress, especially when we have to do with some of these online programs. It can also help in improving student engagement, supporting personalized learning, and improving outcome. Another way we can apply management information system in the educational sector is through resource management. Management information system helps in managing education resources by tracking inventory, managing equipment, and optimizing staffing levels. This helps in providing operational efficiencies and reducing costs. Management information system can also be applied in educational analytics. Management information system helps in analyzing educational data by using advanced analytical tools to identify trends, patterns, and insights into various educational performances. Educational analytics helps in improving student outcomes, identifying opportunities for improvement, and supporting evidence-based decision making. Another way management information system can be applied in education is through budget management. Management information system helps in managing educational budgets by tracking expenses, monitoring revenues, and even forecasting future expenditure. And this helps in making informed decision about resource allocation and ensuring accountability. Another way it can be applied is in administration management. Management information system helps in managing educational administration by tracking personnel, managing payrolls, and maintaining employee records. It also helps in managing procurement and other administrative tasks. We can now move to another area in which management information system is applied, and that is the area of intelligent infrastructure. Before we go to these various areas, permit me to explain briefly what intelligent infrastructure simply means. Intelligent infrastructure refers to the use of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, IoTs, and data analytics to create more efficient and effective infrastructure system. By that, we simply mean integrating smart devices and sensors into some physical infrastructures like our road, bridges, buildings, utilities. The essence of this is to help gather and provide real insight into monitoring and optimizing performance. So we go to these various applications. One of the ways MIS can be applied in intelligent infrastructure is through smart transportation. Management information system helps in managing smart transportation by providing real-time traffic information, optimizing traffic flow, and managing transportation network. This helps in reducing congestion, improving safety, and reducing environmental impact. The second way is smart buildings. Management information system helps in managing smart buildings by controlling building systems such as lighting, security, and optimizing energy usage. This helps in improving building performances and reducing costs, and this will also help in improving the sustainability of that building. Another way it can be used is through smart cities. Management information system helps in managing smart cities by providing real-time information on city services such as waste management, public safety, and even transportation. This will help improve city services. It will also help enhance citizens' engagement, and in the long run, it will all improve the quality of life of the citizens. Another way is through smart grids. Management information system helps in managing smart grids by optimizing energy usage, managing renewable energy sources, and providing real-time information on energy consumption. This helps in improving energy efficiency, reducing cost, and also promoting sustainability. Another way it can be utilized is through intelligent transportation scheme. Management information system helps in managing intelligent transportation schemes by providing real-time information on traffic, managing transportation network, and optimizing transportation routes. This helps in providing transportation efficiency, reducing congestion, and improving safety. Another way is through the asset management. Management information system helps in managing infrastructure assets by tracking inventory, managing maintenance schedules, and optimizing asset usage. This helps in improving operational efficiencies, reducing costs, and improving the asset's performance. These are some of the ways that management information systems can be applied. I want to thank you for coming to class today. We have been able to give us the various ways management information system can be applied in various sectors of the economy. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you can also like the video. Then go to the comment section and send me some comments so that I'll know more areas to present videos on. I want to thank you for coming on board. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Thank you very much.